Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Telegram quick fix step by step clearly. Open your app store and search for Telegram. Download and install the app on your device. Once installed, open Telegram. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to start. Tap on Start Messaging. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number in the designated field. Tap on the check mark to proceed. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code in the app to verify your number. After verification, you can set up your profile. Add your name and, optionally, a profile picture. Now you are in the main chat interface. To start a new chat, tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Choose a contact from your list or tap New Group to create a group chat. You can also search for users by tapping the search icon at the top. To send a message, simply type in the text field and hit send. If you want to send media, tap the paperclip icon to attach files. You can send photos, videos, documents, and more. To create a channel, tap on the menu icon and select New Channel. Follow the prompts to set it up and invite members. Explore settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Here, you can customize notifications, privacy, and security options. Join public groups by searching for them in the search bar. To mute a chat, swipe left on the conversation and select Mute. You can also delete or for more features, explore the app's menu and settings. Now you're ready to use Telegram effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.